Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend wealth building plan during a recession and how investors can build resilient dividend income during difficult market conditions. First, during a recession, the most important step is to review your financial base. Before investing more money, make sure you have an emergency fund, reduce high-interest debt, keep 3 to 6 months of expenses in cash, and invest only surplus money. This helps protect you from selling investments at the wrong time. Next, you should clarify your dividend goal. Decide your target monthly income, your investment time horizon, and whether your main focus is current income or long-term dividend growth. At the same time, match your plan with your personal risk tolerance so you can stay consistent during market volatility. After that, focus on defensive sectors. During recessions, sectors like utilities, consumer staples, healthcare, telecom, and essential services may be more stable because people still need these products and services even when the economy slows down. Then, choose quality dividend stocks carefully. Look for companies with strong cash flow, a healthy payout ratio, reliable dividend history, and a durable business model. Instead of chasing the highest yield, focus on dividend safety and business strength. Moreover, diversification is very important during uncertain markets. Spread your portfolio across different sectors, mix individual dividend stocks with dividend ETFs, avoid overconcentration, and limit position size risk. This helps reduce the impact if one company or sector performs poorly. Next, consider reinvesting during market weakness. When prices fall, reinvested dividends can buy more shares at lower prices. By using dollar-cost averaging and staying consistent, investors may benefit from compounding over time. After that, monitor dividend safety regularly. Watch earnings coverage, track debt levels, review free cash flow, and stay alert for dividend cuts. A dividend is only useful if the company can afford to keep paying it. Then, stay patient and adjust when needed. Think long-term, rebalance your portfolio if necessary, keep emotions under control, and continue investing with discipline. Recessions can be stressful, but they can also create opportunities for patient investors. For example, if an investor contributes $300 per month and earns an average dividend yield of 4%, a market downturn may create lower entry prices. When dividends are reinvested over time, this can support a growing income stream. Overall, this plan helps investors build income gradually, invest with discipline, use downturns as opportunities, reduce emotional decision-making, and support long-term wealth creation. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Investments involve risk, and dividends are not guaranteed. Always do your own research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.